In this video, we'd like to share some information about the bottom stop wire. Normally, they have an aluminum bottom stop wire, which is used for the nylon zipper. Okay. And also have the brass bottom stop, which is used for the metal zipper. Look at this metal zipper. Okay. This is material is aluminum, and this one is brass. For the bottom stop wire, they have a different size. Look at, they have a number 2, number 3, number 5, number 8, number 10. The normally generally using size is number 3, number 5, number 8. Also have a number 4, okay? But we didn't list her in this lister, okay? Even for the number 3, they have a different size. So when you buy the bottom stop wire, please inform us the correct size which is suitable for your bottom stop machine. Look at, this is a nylon bottom stop machine which made by aluminum bottom stop wire, okay? And now let's go into see the bottom stop machine for the metal zipper. So look at, here is automatical metal zipper bottom stop machine by brass bottom stop wire. If the size is not correct, then it cannot pass your bottom stop machine in your factory. So that is why the size is very important when you buy the bottom stop wire from us. This is number 3 bottom stop wire for number 3 nylon zipper, and this one is for number 5 nylon zipper. Now let's see the wire also is different size. From here you can see this one is for number 3, it's more narrow, and this one is for number 5, it's more larger. Okay. What's the difference between the top stop wire and the bottom stop wire? First, you can see from the surface, the bottom stop wire is the flatter. The shape is flat, totally flat. But the top stop wire is a little loud. It's not flat. From the backside, or we say inside, also different. This is the bottom stop wire. Inside it's also flat. Can you see? It's also flat, okay? But for the top stop wire, inside has a little canal. They have some canal. Okay, so let's see on the zipper. This is the bottom stop backside, and this is the bottom stop front side for nylon zipper, and for the top stop, this is the front side, and this is the back side. So one thing is very important. When the machine cut the top stop over the bottom stop wire and fixing to the zipper, you should check the fit will catch your skin or catch the clothes or not. If you touch this and feel it's very smooth, it means the machine is good and the parts has been adjusted good. For the bottom stop also is the same Look at it's very flat. For our top stock machine, we have one very good advantage. Look at the teeth, the second fit is always stay in the second teeth. By this situation, the strength of the top stock is very strong. Okay? For nylon bottom stock, we also have another model which made by the bottom stock wire, transparent bottom stock wire. For transparent bottom stock wire, I will explain to you in another video. For the bottom stock wire of the metal zipper, I'd like to share another model for you. This one is made by brass bottom stock wire. This is the front side and this is the back side, okay? And this one is made by finish edge bottom stock, okay? It's like this one, okay? So you see this is the front side and this is the back side. Two sides are same and the pulling strength is very strong. Normally, if you want to make the zipper for the middle or high quality, customer choose the finish edge bottom stock. If for the low market or you want to save the cost, then you can choose the wire bottom stock. But in nowadays market in China, very less customer, very less zipper factory use the wire bottom stock for metal zipper anymore. 70%, more than 70% zipper factory use this finish edge bottom stock wire. Okay, this is information about the difference between the wire bottom stock and the edge bottom stock. So for the aluminum bottom stock wire over aluminum or over the brass bottom stock wire, if they have anything not clearly, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.